over 70 years, one company has set the standard for cutting, beveling, clamping, and aligning pipe. Matthew Dearman. The versatile MiniMag XM from Matthew Dearman is the perfect tool to cut, bevel, and weld safely and quickly. The MiniMag requires minimum setup time and secures to work surfaces without chains, clamps, and other devices. Utilizing 300 pounds of magnetic force, powerful rare earth magnets adhere the MiniMag to pipe and plate with a coating of up to 15 mils thickness and will cut materials with wall thicknesses up to 3 inches. The MiniMag is strong enough to use either a plasma, oxy-fuel, or welding torch, with or without torch rack. The MiniMag also makes flawless welds on steel plate and other flat surfaces. Each weld or cut is remotely operated by the handheld motor control box, keeping the operator a safe distance away, while allowing the MiniMag to work in hard-to-reach locations, such as overhead and vertical pipes. Matthew Dearman's MiniMag XM is perfect for almost any cutting, beveling, or welding job because it attaches to any magnetic receptive pipe or plate with 300 pounds of magnetic force. Requires minimal setup time, with speed and direction easily controlled via standard 115 or 230 volt AC motor control box, and bevels pipe or plate up to 45 degrees. For versatility and quick setup, there's nothing like the MiniMag XM from Matthew Dearman. Setting up and operating Matthew Dearman's MiniMag XM. Installation of the MiniMag is simple and fast. First, open the carrying case and review the parts you'll need for a successful job. The MiniMag base machine is easily identified by its bright red cover and should be found on the right half of the case. You'll also find the motor control box, torch holder, metal safety cable, leather safety sheath, Allen wrenches and screws, and 2 snap hooks. After ensuring the work surface is smooth and free of debris, remove the MiniMag from the case and place it on the pipe. Grasp the front and back of the MiniMag, rocking it until the wheels lock snugly to the curve of the pipe. The full magnetic force of the unit will be felt when the MiniMag is in correct relationship to the radius of the pipe. Take the torch holder from the case and slide it flush onto the torch arm of the MiniMag. Once the torch holder slides into place, secure it into position using the provided Allen wrench. Adjust the torch holder to the desired angle and turn the ratchet hand clockwise to secure the torch holder on the torch support. The ratchet handle can be lifted and turned if necessary to move it away from the torch. After connecting the torch holder, return to the case for the safety cable and 2 metal snaps. Carefully unwind the safety cable and place a snap on each end. Then place the first spring snap on the end of the MiniMag. Run the safety cable around the pipe and attach the second spring snap to the opposite side of the MiniMag. Remove the leather safety sheath and the motor control box from the case. Unwind the motor control box cables and plug the connector into the MiniMag. Place the cables in the center of the open strap and snap the safety sheath around the cables. This will help ensure the cable does not interfere with the operation of the MiniMag. The final step in preparing to use the MiniMag XM is to place your torch in the torch holder. The MiniMag works with all standard plasma, oxy-fuel, or welding torches. Place the machine torch in the holder and adjust the torch to pipe height per the torch manufacturer's instructions. Place the oxygen and fuel hoses into the rings of the hose support. Make sure the master switch of the motor control box is in the off position. Plug the 3-prong electrical connector into a 115-volt AC power source. Now, let's review setting up the MiniMag XM. Setting up the MiniMag XM is simple and quick. Make sure you have everything you'll need for a successful job. The MiniMag XM, motor control box, torch holder, metal safety cable, Allen wrenches and screws, and 2 snap hooks. Place the MiniMag on the pipe, rocking it until it locks into position. Place the torch holder onto the torch arm and secure it into place with an Allen wrench. Place the snap hooks on each end of the safety cable Place the safety cable around the pipe and snap it into position. Plug the motor control box cables into the MiniMag XM. Snap the safety sheath around the motor control box cables. Place the torch in the torch holder and adjust to pipe height. Make sure the master control box is switched off and plug into a 115-volt AC power source. Now you're ready to use your MiniMag XM from Matthew Dearman. You're now ready to light the torch. Following the directions of the manufacturer, light the torch and focus the flame on the cutting line. Before cutting, it is usually best to warm the pipe, especially in colder climates. Using the motor control box, power up the MiniMag and move the machine around the pipe, warming the cutting area with the torch flame. This will take several minutes depending on the size of the pipe. When the MiniMag has completely circled the pipe and is once again at the starting point, begin the cutting process. The MiniMag will again circle the pipe, this time cutting and beveling as it moves. The MiniMag can cut 2 inches to 32 inches per minute, depending on the thickness of the pipe. When cutting the outside of a pipe, the MiniMag has a cutting range of 6 5/8 inches to unlimited diameters. Cutting inside of a pipe or tube ranges from 24 inches to unlimited cut lengths. When the cut is completed, the length that has been cut will easily separate and in some cases fall from the pipe. Make sure to handle all cutting tools and pipe using the proper safety equipment, such as gloves and goggles. Using a scraping tool, clear the debris away from the edge to reveal a perfectly cut and beveled edge. Now let's review making standard cuts with the MiniMag XM. Making standard cuts with the MiniMag XM. Make sure to use proper safety equipment such as gloves and goggles. Then light the torch. Warm the pipe. After the pipe is warm, switch to cutting mode and begin cutting. When the cut is complete, use a scraping tool to clean debris. Making standard cuts with the MiniMag XM from Matthew Dearman is that easy. Matthew Dearman's MiniMag XM is excellent for cutting vertical pipe or tubes 18 inches and larger. To prepare the MiniMag for a vertical cut, place the machine on a pipe near the pipe end. Loosen the outermost Allen head cap screws of both pinch rollers with the provided 5/32 Allen wrench. Remove the inner Allen head cap screw from both pinch rollers. Rotate the pinch rollers upward until the second threaded hole is in alignment with the hole in the pinch roller. The pinch roller should now be tilted at an angle. Reinsert the Allen head cap screw in each pinch roller and tighten all Allen head cap screws. Loosen the wing nut on the top of the pinch roller and slide the roller outward. Place the 5/32 inch Allen wrench in between the inner and outer roller and push the outer roller inward. While pressing the outer roller against the Allen wrench, tighten the wing nut. Slide the guide strip over the pipe and tighten. It's very important to level the guide strip to ensure a straight cut. Guide strips for most diameter pipes are available from Matthew Dearman. Place a pipe wrap around the pipe, approximately 7 to 8 inches down from the line to be cut. Mark the pipe using welder's chalk. Slide a guide strip over the pipe with the flange facing downward. Align the upper edge of the guide ring to the welder's chalk line. Secure the guide ring to the pipe by tightening the template clamping screws. With the guide ring in place, set the MiniMag on the pipe with the pinch roller on either side of the guide strip. Using an Allen wrench, loosen or tighten the wheels so that the guide rail rests snugly, but not so tight as to obstruct the movement of the wheels. The remainder of setup and operation is the same as for a horizontal cut. Attach and tighten the torch arm. Snap the safety cable onto the front and back of the MiniMag. Remove the leather safety sheath and the motor control box from the case. Unwind the motor control box cables and plug the connector into the MiniMag. Place the cables in the center of the open strap and snap the safety sheath around the cables. This will help ensure the cable does not interfere with the operation of the MiniMag. The final step in preparing to use the MiniMag is to place your torch in the torch holder. The MiniMag works with all standard plasma, oxy-fuel, or welding torches. Place the machine torch in the holder and adjust the torch to pipe height per the torch manufacturer's instructions. Make sure the master switch of the motor control box is in the off position. Plug the 3-prong electrical connector into a 115-volt AC power source. Using the motor control box, power up the MiniMag. Light the torch and circle the MiniMag around the pipe to warm the cutting area. When the MiniMag finishes circling the pipe, switch to cutting mode. The MiniMag's speed and direction, as well as the torch arm speed direction, can be remotely controlled from the motor control box. When the operation is complete, carefully remove the cut portion of the pipe and clean the edge. Now let's review making vertical cuts with the MiniMag XM. Making vertical cuts with the MiniMag XM. Place the MiniMag near the pipe end. Secure the MiniMag into position. Slide the guide strip over the pipe end and tighten. Place pipe wrap approximately 7 to 8 inches from the cut line. Mark the pipe using welder's chalk. Align the upper edge of the guide strip to the chalk line. Set the MiniMag on the pipe with the pinch roller on either side of the guide strip. Place the torch holder onto the torch arm and secure it in place with an Allen wrench. Place the snap hooks on each end of the safety cable. Place the safety cable around the pipe and snap it into position. Plug the motor control box cables into the MiniMag. Snap the safety sheath around the motor control box cables. Place the torch in the torch holder and adjust to pipe height. Make sure the master control box is switched off and plug into a 115-volt AC power source. Now you're ready to make vertical cuts with your MiniMag XM from Matthew Dearman. In addition to cutting pipe, the MiniMag is a great tool for propelling a straight barrel welding torch on horizontal plate for making stringer welds. Keeping the torch in the weld joint is made easy by controlling perpendicular movement to the line of travel with the motor control box. The result? Superior welds, making the MiniMag the perfect welding tractor for barges, oil-filled tank trailers, and dam gates. Setting up the MiniMag XM to weld is similar to the setup for standard cutting. Make sure you have everything you'll need for a successful job. The MiniMag XM, motor control box, torch holder, metal safety cable, Allen wrenches and screws, and 2 snap hooks. Place the MiniMag on the welding surface. Place the torch holder onto the torch arm and secure it into place with an Allen wrench. Plug the motor control box cables into the MiniMag XM. Snap the safety sheath around the motor control box cables. Place the torch in the torch holder. Make sure the master control box is switched off and plug into a 115-volt AC power source. Now you're ready to make precise, superior welds with the MiniMag XM from Matthew Dearman. Simple to set up and easy to operate, the MiniMag XM from Matthew Dearman is the best choice whether you're cutting, beveling, or welding horizontal or vertical pipe or plate.